In this video, we're going to convert improper fractions to a mixed number. Once again, it's a very simple process. Just remember that you're taking the numerator or your top number and you're dividing it by your denominator. So if we do the first fraction, the 73 over 21, I'm taking the 73, I'm dividing it by 21. For some of you, the hardest part of this is going to be the long division. So 21 goes into 73 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And then I'm always going to subtract. 73 minus 63 gives me 10. The top number, or the number on top, is my whole number. So my whole number is going to be 3. The remainder is my new numerator. And then my denominator is the same as my original denominator. So this would be my denominator. So I have 3 and 10 over 21. You always want to double check your fraction to make sure it doesn't reduce. Does anything go into 10 and into 21? Not in this case. So now let's take a look at the next one. We have 23 over 4. So again, I'm taking my top number, 23, and I'm going to divide it by 4. So 4 goes into 23 how many times? Or 4 times what gives me something close to 23? In this case, 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Always going to subtract. 23 minus 20 gives me 3. So again, number on top, in this case the 5, is my whole number. And then the 3, the remainder, is my new numerator. And then my denominator is going to stay the same as it was in the original, the 4. So then my mixed number is 5 3/4. So 23 over 4 is the same thing as 5 3/4. Excuse me. Okay, so let's look at the next one. 89 over 24. And if you'd like, work it with me. I'll try to work it slower. I'm going to take the 89. I'm going to divide it by 24. Top number divided by bottom number. 24 will go into 89 2 times. More than 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 is 6. So I'm going to say 3 times. Because 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. Carry my 1 is 7. And I'm going to subtract 89 minus 72. 9 minus 7, or 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So I have 17 left over. So again, the whole number is the 3. The 17, which is my remainder, is my new numerator. And the denominator of 24 stays the denominator of 24. So then my mixed number is 3 and 17 over 24. I know I don't have to work all these. I'm sure you've gotten it by now. But just for the extra practice for you, or just if you need to look at something different, 82 divided by 23. Take 82, top number, divided by 23. 23 will go into 82, again, 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. I'm going to subtract. I'm going to have to borrow here. That makes that a 7, that a 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 7 minus 6 is 1. So then again, the top number is my whole number. The remainder is my new numerator. So I have 3 and 13 over 23. Okay. Bigger numbers are a little more complicated because you got to think a little harder because multiplication facts. But the smaller the numbers, the easier they seem to be because the numbers aren't so big. All right, so 7 goes into 24 3 times. I must be stuck on 3 for a whole number here. 7 times 3 is 21. I'm going to subtract 24 minus 21 gives me 3 for a remainder. So my whole number, my remainder, and of course the 7 is my denominator. So 3 and 3/7. And then the 59 over 43. So once again, 59 divided by 43. This time it's going to go 1 time. And I'm going to subtract 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. So I have a whole number of 1. A remainder is 16. So I have 1 and 16 over 43. And that's that for converting improper fractions to mixed numbers.